Hey there! Welcome back to our Happyforms tutorial series. Today, we'll be diving into the essential topic of importing and exporting forms in Happyforms. Whether you're looking to transfer forms between websites or back up your form data, understanding this process is crucial. So let's get started. Before we delve into the tutorial, let's quickly discuss why importing and exporting forms is beneficial. Importing forms allows you to transfer existing form configurations, saving you time and effort. On the other hand, exporting forms is useful for creating backups or sharing forms with others. Let us tackle first how we import forms. In your Happyforms dashboard, navigate to the Forms tab and click on Import on the sidebar. Click the Choose File button, then select the form you want to import from your files, and then click the Upload File and Import button. Happyforms supports importing forms in XML format. In this case, let us use Happyforms Contact Form template as an example. You can check out our form templates on our website. Just scroll down on the main page, and you'll see our available templates. Going back, once the import process is complete, you can go back to Happyforms Forms tab, and then review the imported form to ensure everything looks as expected. Make sure to check any necessary adjustments and save the changes. Now let us move on to exporting forms in Happyforms. Similarly, go to the Forms tab in your Happyforms dashboard, then click on Export on the sidebar this time. Select whether you're going to export submissions to spreadsheet or forms. For now, we will be selecting forms. From here, you can choose what form you will be exporting from the available list of all your forms. You also have an option to include submissions of selected form in the export file, where all of the past submissions made from that form will be included in the file. Now you have your form exported for backup purposes. You can also share this file with others who can then import it into their Happyforms installation. Before we wrap up, here are some tips and best practices for importing and exporting forms in Happyforms. 1. Always review imported forms to ensure they match your expectations. 2. Keep backups of important forms to prevent data loss. 3. Share exported forms securely and only with trusted individuals or organizations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on importing and exporting forms in Happyforms. By mastering this process, you can simplify your form management workflow and ensure data integrity across platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Happyforms. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.